Today we're making pierogies. We're going to roll the dough out here in a second. The pierogi dough we made in the stand mixer with the hook attachment. Was flour, eggs, water, and softened butter. I'm going to rest the dough for 30 to 45 minutes. And we're going to cut it in half and roll it out into a disc shape. Kind of patting it down, trying to make sure it's even disc. This makes it easier when we go to roll it out. I'm going to grab our rolling pin. I'm going to flour my hands and flour the pin as well and start to roll. And we're going to roll so it stays the same thickness. We're going to try to do our best to keep the circular shape. And we're going to move the dough around and flip it over if we have to maintain that shape. That's going to ensure that we get as many portions as we can at the end. We're going to roll it out to about maybe a little less than 1/4 inch, maybe 3/16 inch thickness. And we're going to feel around the dough. We're going to rub the palm of our hand all over. And you can tell where it's thick and thin and where you need to roll it out. Once you have it all proper thickness, you can start to cut your circles. I have a 3-inch cutter here. It's actually a top to a ball jar. Couldn't find my cutter. And we're going to work out from the outside in until we've worked all the way through the whole piece. You can remove the excess. The excess you can roll back into a ball and let it rest again and roll it back out. And we're going to go ahead and put a little filling on each disc. Try not to overload them. I'll pick it up and put it in our hand. Hold it like a little taco and then cinch the ends together, forming kind of a half moon shape. You want to make sure the filling is not poking out where you're trying to seal. You want the dough to be dough on dough to seal it when you pinch it. Otherwise, it can blow out when you go to boil these. And rinse and repeat. Kind of push the dough in when you go to seal. And there you have it. And you can crimp the edges for a more attractive shape if you like. Most of these I just did standard. Now that's about a 1 pound of farmer cheese, some caramelized onions, maybe a half cup, salt and pepper, and it's bound together with 1 beaten egg. And that's all that filling is. You can do other fillings, potato and onion, sauerkraut with mushroom, onion, and bacon. Very good. And there you have it. You have a whole tray of farmer's cheese pierogies. Now here we fried them up in butter, made them crispy, added a few more onions and some fresh clipped chives from the garden.